Maxvision palm vein registration tutorial. Click the function menu. Enter your password. Click the user management. Click the user registration. Access the registration page. Enter the information of the registered user. Click the captcha. Access the palm vein captcha page. Capture the palm vein of the left hand. Capture the palm vein of the right hand. Click the registration. When the green check mark is displayed, it signifies successful registration. Return to the home page. Verify your palm vein. Recognition passed. Wow! Recognition passed.